Good morning, America. It is day 21, and we are here in Nashville in the rain, scootering. So today is a little mixed around. I kind of forgot to do Good Morning America in the morning. So technically we've actually been in Nashville exploring for couple hours now. But yeah, here we are. It started raining, we got wet. But today this is what we're gonna do, explore Nashville and then head out of here, head northeast. So yeah, that's today. All right, it is time for tailgate talk. So, yesterday we did a supply run. We got in and out, and we made it to Nashville, obviously, because we're here. I present to you day 21 goals. Number 1, find breakfast. We decided we don't want to make breakfast, we're going to find breakfast in downtown Nashville. So that's what we're going to do. Number 2, Buc-ee's. We were going to go to Buc-ee's in Texas, but then we didn't, basically. So we're gonna go to Buc-ee's. Number 3, Kentucky. We wanna go to Kentucky not even really by nightfall, it's not that far, but we just need to make sure to cross into Kentucky because we can't stay in Tennessee all day. We have a long ways to go to get home by Sunday. So that's our 3 goals for the day. Let's make it happen. All right, breakfast is done. Now we're just gonna explore the city for a while, see what's around here, and then eventually we'll head out of town. Started raining again. Oh.
Calm down.
Time to go.
Help! Oh no!
Look at this. Oh.
I can't get any more wet.
No. Nashville, you've been just wonderful. We're here at Pilot to get showers. We're soaking wet still from Nashville. Definitely time to get showered up. All right, so we just got done with showers. So we got to give you guys a bit of an update on today because it's been a little scattered, Here's our board. Find breakfast. We did find breakfast. Can you check that off real quick?
There we go.
There we go. Oh, all right. So find breakfast done. Buc-ee's, we're gonna hit that actually probably pretty soon, right? Mm-hmm. Kentucky. So this is a little awkward. So we're just not gonna go there. We're just not going.
Can I have the
Kentucky.
chalk? It says not Kentucky.
Yeah.
So
The route we want to go is just not going through Kentucky. So it's pretty basic stuff, really. The goal has the goal has changed. Now that goal item is just to get out of Tennessee, just leave Tennessee, not escape it like we escaped New Mexico, because Tennessee's been not windy, So not Kentucky is that's the updated goal there. That shower felt good. I was freezing cold, wet, miserable, and now I'm feeling great. So, on to Buc-ee's. Buc-ee's is complete. We got pulled pork, or no, brisket. I got brisket. What'd you get?
I got brisket.
This place is huge. Also got chocolate milk. Finally got Buc-ee's checked off the list. Much later in the trip than we should have, but at least we got it. We are here at Fiddler's Restaurant in Abingdon, Virginia. Don't know what it is. We're finna find out, and then gonna eat some food, and then we're gonna keep moving for a little while before we find a place for the night. All right, that was pretty quick. They closed at 9. It was like 8:50 when we got there. So we just got the buffet. And what? It's so funny. Supper is done for the night. Now we're just gonna find a park to park at, and then we're gonna probably call it a night. We are here at Munchkin Park. Here for the night in some town in Virginia. All right, day 21 in the books. What a day. Started out in Nashville, got soaking wet on those scooters, and now we're here in Virginia. Did a good amount of driving today, which is good. But yeah, that's gonna bring us to the end of the day. So thanks for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more daily vlogs, and follow us on Instagram. If we hit 10K by the 24th of May, we're gonna do a no phone road trip challenge. That should be fun. So follow us on Instagram. Other than that, we're gonna let you guys go. Always remember, the world is your cinema. Good night.